Congratulations on your purchase of your Lourdes Hydrofix Premium Edition. In this video, we will cover general cleaning and maintenance of your Lourdes Hydrofix. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for additional instructional videos. These videos are filled with helpful tips of how to better care for your premium hydrogen machine so that it will last for many years to come. To get started, first remove the pitcher from the base unit by lifting straight up. To open, give a slight twist and remove the lid. Then, rinse the lid, pitcher, and the hydrogen keeper with a soft cloth or sponge. We recommend doing this every couple of days or so. Use room temperature water. Do not use hot water, soap, detergent, chlorine, vinegar, or other abrasive cleaners. Do not use rough scrubbers or brushes. Do not touch or scratch the electrode plate. Do not wash it in the dishwasher. Do not wash the base unit because it is not waterproof. Wiping is all that is required when cleaning the base unit. However, the use of some types of water, such as alkaline water, Kangen water, water containing high amounts of calcium or silica and iron, may necessitate the need for more frequent maintenance and cleaning. For storage or non-use for a period of time, please unplug the unit first. Then remove the pitcher by carefully lifting it straight up and carefully bring the unit to the sink, carrying it flat, and undo the side plug. Hopefully you've kept the tape. Do not tip the machine at any time to drain it, or otherwise it can damage the machine. Simply let gravity do its work and then towel dry any remaining water. Occasionally you may need to use a Q-tip to get in smaller areas of the pitcher tray if dust or debris gets trapped. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy your new Lourdes Hydrofix Premium Edition. And don't forget that we have other instructional videos on our YouTube channel, including storage, draining, and cleaning, that will teach you how to care and maintain your machine so that it will last for many years to come. Welcome to Holy Hydrogen.